How to sign up for the Travel Payout affiliate program. Hey guys, I've got an exciting opportunity for those of you who love to explore the world while making money. I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Travel Payouts affiliate program. If you're ready to turn your passion for travel into income, stick around. Let's get started. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Once you are on Travel Payout website, take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with the affiliate program. You'll find out information about how it works, the tools they offer, and the commission you can earn. Then you need to click on partner programs. Here are some best travel affiliate programs. You can choose one from them. Let's choose AirHelp. So I'll click on join now. You'll be directed to the affiliate application form. Here you need to provide your personal information such as your name, email address and preferred password. Then you need to click on create account. After filling out the form, check your email inbox for a verification email from Travel Payouts. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. Once your email is confirmed, you will be promoted to complete your profile. This may include providing additional detail and payment information. Make sure to fill out this section accurately. You need to click on activate your account. They'll send you activation link on your email address. So check your Gmail. Click on verify email. Tell how did you hear about Travel Payouts. Select option and then click on submit. Now tell what brings you to Travel Payout. I'll click on I have a blog, website or other resources. Then I'll click on create project. Now tell them how you plan to promote their brand. Select an option. Paste your website URL here. If you don't have website, click on social media channel or any other platform. Then click on next. Select your content language, your average monthly viewers and target countries. Once done, click on next. Name your project and click on save project. Your project has been created. Click on close. You can now use it to connect to partner programs. Before finalizing your registration, read through Travel Payouts terms and conditions. Once you've reviewed them, check the box or button to indicate your agreement. By inviting referral, you get 7% of their travel payout earnings for the next 2 years. Click on invite referral. And here is your referral link. You can copy it and send to others. And that's it. You have successfully applied to become a Travel Payout affiliate. Once approved, you can start promoting travel offers and earning commission. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel related content. If you have any question or need any further assistance, drop a comment below. Safe travels and happy earning.